Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. Today I will show you how to change the user's shell in AlmaLinux. To change the user's shell, you can use the usermod command followed by the -s option. For example, to change John Doe's shell to Z shell, you would run this command. But first, let's check the current shell of John Doe. The output should be similar to the following line. We can see that John Doe, our user named John Doe, has a binary bash shell. We want to change it to binary Z shell. First, we should also check if the Z shell is installed in our system. Okay, it is installed. But if it is not installed, you can install it by using this command. Now let's change the shell. -s option, binary folder, Z shell of our user John Doe. Okay, it is successful. Let's check it with get end command. Now our user named John Doe default shell is under binary Z shell software. If you found this tutorial helpful, please like and subscribe for more Linux administration videos. Drop any questions in the comments below. Thanks for watching.